Why? Why is that? I didn't put that there. Why?
What? Like, how?
How? How?
Hey there. Hey there. No.Cure here, nature talk. Look at this moth. This moth is pretty cool. I don't know what type of moth it is. I don't know if it just always looks like that or can somehow, change its color to blend in. I have no idea, but it's pretty specific to resemble lichen. Lichen right here. I know what I'm doing. And lichen is just a mixture of cyanobacteria and other bacteria. It's like a mixture of fungi, algae, and they're kind of symbiotic, teaming up to break down enzymes that are probably in this rock, so they're getting nutrition. Kind of funny, kind of peculiar, kind of weird. This lichen, that moth, look the same, but they're not the same. Kind of funny how nature does that.